Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to give you a quick explanation of the referral letter screen as well as how the different features in it work. The referral letter will be used for the doctor to refer the patient to another medical practitioner or pathology. To access the referral letter, start by clicking on the patient's booking. In the Diary side panel, click on the Clinical button. In the right-hand side of the clinical case screen, choose the referral letter from your Easy Events or from the Forms library drop-down. Upon selection, the referral letter will open on the left-hand side of the screen. At the top of the referral letter is the date of referral. The date of referral is the date the doctor referred the patient to another medical practitioner. Simply click on the field and choose a date from the calendar picker. The referring note is the details the referring doctor wants the referred doctor to know about the patient and why they referred the patient. The patient at practice since is the date the patient saw the referring doctor for the first time. Simply click on the field and choose a date from the calendar picker. The doctor's signature is the signature of the referring doctor. Simply click on the big plus button to add your signature. Underneath the signature you will find three tick boxes: Diagnosis, Specialist Details and Appointment Details. Whenever you tick either of the boxes, more fields will appear to further specify the referral letter. The first box, Diagnosis, is where the referring doctor will specify the patient's illness or problems. Once the box is ticked, new fields will appear: Chronic diagnosis, Previous diagnosis, and Reason for referral. If the patient experienced or has a chronic condition, the referring doctor will note it in the Chronic diagnosis field. Simply start typing the ICD-10 code or the description thereof, and suggestions will appear. If the doctor previously diagnosed the patient with any medical condition, it will be noted in the Previous diagnosis field. The referring doctor will fill in a reason for the referral in the Reason for referral field. Simply start typing the ICD-10 code or the description thereof, and suggestions will appear. The second box, Specialist Details, is the details of referred to doctor or specialist. The name is the name of the specialist. The practice number is the practice number of the specialist. The address is the address of the specialist's practice. The third and last box, Appointment Details, is the details of the referring doctor's appointment. The date is the date of your appointment with the patient. It will default to today's date. The time is the time of your appointment with the patient. It will default to the time now. And lastly, the location is where you specify the location of your appointment. Select a location by clicking on one. Click on Complete at the top of the referral letter to finalize the form. From there, you can choose to email, print or download the referral letter. And when you're done with the patient's clinical information, click on the Save and Close button.